ako, kailan po kayo yung... Ay, sila.
Kita ko, usap. Ano nga sa... Okay naman to. Ayaw. Sige. Ano na? Sige lang.
Ang dami, pero yun lang.
Ito na?
Sinay ko
Baba makay sila.
Oo ba?
Hindi mo storya ng Saba.
Sige na, mag-ilong na.
For my calling.
This year, I got to buy gifts for my whole family with my own money.
Yay!
Masahod lang.
Next.
This year, nakadrive og layo gamit mo ko. Yay!
Yay!
This year, I survived college. Nakaila akong new people, additional sa akong product. I finished my OGT and survived cyclophosphamide. This year, I met people I'd willingly sacrifice my 3 jobs and, of course, my free time.
This year, we produced a promising batch of graduates. I made a lot of friends and I'm doing a little bit better every day. Okay. Oh, hello. So, this year, family and friends are healthy and I survived the year. Good luck to the future CPAs. Yay! Hello. So this year I was able to experience dancing in a disco with friends. I passed the insurance exam and last but not the least get to jam with all the people who are close in my heart.
What's up, Maglang people? So, this year, I passed the civil service exam. I survived college. Then, I reached Cognitive Loris ML. Dayon, make nakagawa og FS sa uban dira sa para sa amo. Then, make great friendship sa tanan ng palibot. Sige, salamat.
Hi guys, this year I've done something I've been avoiding my whole life. I said yes to a full-time job. The faculty and friends became my second family and my home. Surviving the whole year without thinking of ending it. And also, I had fun every month.
Okay. Again. Doon ka blow. Ito pakita. Ito pakita ang kuan. Doon ka blow. Okay. Asa mo dito? Okay.
Ano
Sir G.
Ano
Sir.
Makita.
1, 2, 3.
Blow!
Bye-bye! Hapit mo masunog.